Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and download beautiful quotes videos for your social media in Canva. So in here, I've already opened Canva apps. You can easily spot the mobile videos option, and in here you can see there are lots of beautiful quotes videos that you can use. You can upload it maybe as your Instagram story or TikTok story, but if you cannot find this, you can just click on the search column at the top and find quotes videos, for example. Click on enter. So in here, Canva will provide you with lots of quotes videos that you can choose. For example, I'm going to use this one. It's okay to take a break. So you can just click on the video that you want to use. Click on customize this template. So you can add your own video. For example, you can add a video of you walking like this, or maybe other videos that you like. And after that, just click on the arrow at the top to download it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.